In this video, we're going to talk about the server script that comes with your Ruby on Rails applications. And we'll just take a brief look at it and understand what it's doing. So I'm going to issue the script/server-h, which is going to ask for the help of the WebBrick server. So WebBrick is actually a Ruby-based web server. It's not production quality. It wouldn't stand up to regular use on a production platform, although it might work where you just have several users accessing a web application. It's primarily meant for development use in a development type environment. It's pretty limited in the options that you can send in when you actually issue the script and you run it from the application itself. You can have multiple WebBrick servers running. You'll just have to change the default port that it runs on, and that's the first option there, where you can do a -p or --port equal port and put the port number that you want it to be on. The default is 3000 if you don't put anything there. The second is you can change which IP address it's binding to. So if your computer has multiple IP addresses, you can select a particular one. You can actually switch the environment, and this primarily has to do with switching which database it's talking to, your development database or your production database, and switching the environment for that. You can specify the MIME types file if you want one to be used, otherwise there is none used. You can have it on a Unix system run as a system daemon if you want, so it'll fork off to run. You can change the character set, and the default is UTF-8. So it's pretty limited in what it can do, but it is a full-feature little web server that gets your application up and running so you can access it and test it. And it has some nice features with showing you what is being accessed. So it has a running log file type thing on the screen. So it's a useful tool for your development process.